lẹ́yìn odi mo kí wa wípé a kú bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí èmi ọmọ yín náà ni ààyè ọpẹ́ yọ ṣé yọ lọ́dọ̀ sí yín náà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Elédùà ààyè ọpẹ́ máa yọ fún èmi àti nice one. Àwa abiyamọ fídíò tá a fẹ́ wò yìí àwa tá a wà nílùú òyìnbó ni. Our ladies, our mummies, our grandmas. Ó ṣe ni láàánú wípé àrírú eléyìí rí àfi ń dẹ́rù bọ́ lọ́rọ̀ ni. Ó ti máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Èyí tí a lè rí lórí ayélujára, èyí tó jẹ́ wípé ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ọ̀nà tá fi mọ̀ I don't know, get us síbẹ̀. Because ìgbà míì máa wà ṣẹlẹ̀ sí sister wa kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Bọ̀ nígbẹ̀yìn fídíò yìí, uncle tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí wọ́n sọ nǹkan kan. Ibẹ̀ yẹn ni màá sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ lẹ́nu arábìnrin yìí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí i. Eléyìí ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú oṣù tá a wà nínú èyí ni.
All right, peeps. This is Adenike Obaoye. I'm at the family court in Berlin. I'm here to submit documents, more supporting documents, asking for voluntary return with my 2 toddler sons, Noah and David. They are just 2 and 3 years old. To get them back to Nigeria with me. I'm physically fit, healthy, mentally sound. I do my things independently by myself. There's nobody in Germany that is assisting me to do anything. Even as a single mother, I do my things by myself, and I was taking care of my children fantastically alone. I never wounded my children. They had no accidents. My children were taken from me by Germans, claiming my accommodation in Germany was poor. Fine, I'm a Nigerian. I have better accommodation in Nigeria. So give me my children, let me go back to my country, Nigeria, where I can take care of my children very well.
A Nigerian woman who based for Germany for years, has returned back to Nigeria without his 4 kids. Yes, you heard me, without his 4 kids. What happened to the kids? The social worker, they took the kids away from her. All alone, she's now in Nigeria trying to fight to get those kids back. Do you think it's going to be easy for her now that she's in Nigeria to get the kids back? When she was in Germany, in the korokoro of them like this, she did not get those picking. Now, when he come there for Nigeria, do you think she'll get those kids back? Her sister Obaoye, he don't there for Germany for years. Now this until now he don't dey there. He married a Niger man also. They first get 2 picking together, but the two no work within him and this Nigerian man. So the 2 of them, they waka go in the separate ways. This woman, our auntie now, the government of Germany, they collected the 2 pikin wey be say in first bonbon for in first husband. They talk say the thing they waka well. Now they collected these 2 pikin. Later, this auntie waka comot from the same city where in and in ex where they live, because in ex now he don't marry another Oyibo German person. This our auntie in waka go Berlin, another city. Now there, this auntie now in day. In day there, in they doing life, they go there. When the ex-husband notice that this auntie don't waka comot from that village, now this man, now he green, he call the social workers. Now he tell them say he won't collect the pikin back. After all, he don't marry a German woman, say he don't get good marital life. Now so now they talk, they go court here and there. They carry the 2 pikin, they give them to this Nigerian man when he be the ex-husband of Auntie Obaoye. Auntie Obaoye now move to Berlin. They do her life, they go. But the trauma, the psychological problem, the wahala when he did the head of Auntie Obaoye, the wahala, it not really dey easy for her.
Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.
Mental psyche when he get, he seek help here and there, still no work. Because now pikin when he bonbon, now the German government now they collected from her hand. When he come out finish, they come carry the same pikin, go give him husband. The thing no really dey balance with this auntie. Now he make this auntie now. He can't look, say, okay, now they don't collect the pikin from his hand. At least, instead of born now, this our auntie Adenike now can't jam another man. Where the man, he and auntie Adenike now, they can't jujuvaga themselves. When they jujuvaga themselves the first time, pikin come outside again. The jujuvaga the second time, the pikin too waka come outside. Now auntie Adenike now, he don't get two pikin again for another man. But he and this man, they don't marry at all. Auntie Adenike, they put this pikin to her chest. At least those two pikin now, they will give him succor. In they look them as if say, at least he no lose anything. Because the first two pikin when he born, he don't dey with his first ex-husband when he don't marry Oyibo German. Now this Auntie Adenike, they take care of these two kids. He dey buy things for them. He take care of them well. In fact, they dey chomu well. But one day, for whatever reason, according to Auntie Adenike, waiting in talk, now he talk say the German social worker, now they talk say no. Say they will collect the two pikin from his hand because of accommodation problem, because of accommodation issue. Auntie Adenike, they fight him. He said, no, you cannot take my kid away from me. But the German social worker, they say, no, this kid is coming with us. But Auntie Adenike be person wey be say before she waka come out from Nigeria, into sabi this kind of work because na NGO na in the work for that time. So she don't argue with these people. Into say at least he go court because na court na he go do wetin na he go dajo. He waka go court now they drag. The case they go on for some time, but still this social worker they adamant say lie say they no go give this pikin back to Auntie Adenike. But don't forget, this pikin, they no be German citizen. They no get German nationality. In fact, sef, his ex-husband, na papa pure Naija, na he be. Auntie Adenike too, he no be German citizen. He na proper Naija person, wey be say, na stay, na he dey inside in Mali. And that stay, na he can extend to the pikin. Na so na make the pikin, make them still stay for Germany. Now, wey be say, Auntie Adenike now, he come waka go court when they no give am the pikin. He say, court come abeg. I want to go back to Nigeria. I need to go back to my country. Auntie Adenike come begin fight again. Say he want the pikin back. At least now when they go Nigeria. The pikin, after all, they don't be German citizen. And in the carry pikin go. But the German authority refused, according to Auntie Adenike. Say no. Say Nigeria is not safe for them. This pikin said they go stay for this place. Auntie Adenike begin argue with them. Say lie. Say who tell you say Nigeria say no they good, say no they secure. Say they go give them life there. She been had there now they born her before in waka come Germany. Say he don't do it, she had enough. Auntie Adenike pack her bag. That's why Auntie Adenike now she relocated back to Nigeria, but without the two pikin. Because when they reach on the 5 May of this year, where we dey talk now, so now in the court, the judge now talk say no, the pikin they no give them to Auntie Adenike. Say if Auntie Adenike wants to go back to Nigeria, make she dey go alone. Say Oyo, na be your case. That's why now Auntie Adenike now met herself for Muritala Muhammad Airport when he do this video.
So, hi peace. This is Lagos, Nigeria. I'm at the airport, I've arrived. I'm back to Nigeria from Germany. This is Adenike Obaoye. Today, 22nd of May, 2025. So, I'm happy to be home. I no longer live in Germany. I'm no longer a resident of Germany. But my sons, Noah Obaoye and David Obaoye, are still there. That the UK manipulatively took since April 2024 and refused to give them back even when I told them that I was leaving Germany. The battle continues. I'll get my children back from Germans. So that is the message. I'm going to get my sons back from Germans because they have no German citizenship, no dual citizenship with Germany. Thanks everyone for your prayers, for your support, for your love. I appreciate. I'm no longer in Germany. I've landed in Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria. Today, 22nd of May, 2025. This is Adenike Obaoye in Lagos, Nigeria. As for my sons that Germans kidnapped through their UK dams, I'll get my sons back. I'll make other moves from Nigeria here. Thank you, everyone.
But Auntie Adenike now, one day adamant say he go fight, he go make sure say he collect his pikin back. Now we be saying don't dey Nigeria. But me, I dey look am from one area say, it be like say Auntie Adenike, the time when you dey for Germany, your pikin you fight, you don't feel collect am. Now you come dey Nigeria, you think say e go dey easy for you for Nigeria before you go collect the pikin. At the same time, I be go get some things where we say Auntie Adenike no tell Nigerians. Where we say the German people, where we say they know. You know, people they ask that kind of question. Say because it is very rare. May they just collect your pikin based on accommodation issue, on accommodation wahala. And then can even they talk and now say, what thing Germany they do? We say now pikin of Daki. Now they won't begin collect. Say not be only a pikin now they collect. Say they don't say they collected a lot of people pikin. Even say the Nigerian embassy when they did for Germany, say that they are aware of them. Say people they can't complain. Say Germany say that they collect their pikin. Say where you dey for UK, for America, for anywhere where you dey apart from Nigeria, is it true? Say Oyibo they collect Daki pikin. Please put it in the comment section there and let's discuss. Now, Auntie Adenike now, people they want to talk say maybe not blessing in disguise. Now it be for your pikin as they see there for Germany. Because initially you talk and say they not be German citizen. Now when we say them thing don't they expire as Germany as they don't collect your pikin from your hand now, definitely they will give those pikin, they will give them document. The pikin they don't go stay illegal for Germany. And in the nearest future, this pikin can't fit become person when we say it go low kiki, it go plenty well for society, for world. Now you can't become blessed to you, you can't they talk say, na my pikin be that. The only thing when we say we go pray for, we say, make your pikin where you drop for Germany there, when they grow well, make them still sabi, say you be their mama, make them still sabi, say one day, say they won't come Nigeria, at least make them come greet you. Now me say you, Auntie Adenike, when you there for Nigeria now, no matter what you want to do for Nigeria now, make sure say you are up to the game. So that when your pikin go come meet you for Nigeria one day, they don't go see you say you dey suffer. They go see you say you don't establish, you don't balance well for Nigeria. This kind of thing, it go make your pikin, maybe one day, they go put on finger for up, say they know they go back Germany again. So people they talk and say, leave those pikin, leave them there. Just make sure say you they get contact with those pikin. Now, we don't see them also say some home for Obodo Oyibo, they go collect your pikin from your hand. But the pikin go come the worst, past the time when we say the day your house, past the time when we say the day your hand. We don't see them several times. Do you think, say, these Oyibo people, when they collect your pikin, do you think say they do good thing to your pikin? You go see some pikin when they collected from Daki. End of the day, the pikin you come become red pikin. Why you go still see some pikin they go become someone big in life, someone great in future. You go see them as well. So the thing, it dey interwoven one kind. The thing not really they balance well. But people just still they talk and say, put your life together. Then don't rush to talk. Say you won't go marry, you won't go bonbon again.
ẹ lè bí pọ́n ti fi ṣe English film rí torí wípé ó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ aláburú ẹ̀dá làwọn òyìnbó sí wa a mọ̀ láti ilẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ but torí kíni ni ìyá yẹn ló ṣe ń jẹ ọ̀tá wa báyìí torí wípé ààrẹ ní fẹ̀yìntì àní ìjọba. I'm pretty sure 100%. Ẹgbọ́n ni tàbí ẹ̀dáhùn 100% ni mo mọ̀ wípé tó bá jẹ́ òyìnbó ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí kò yẹ yín sè àwọn ìlú yẹn máa dúró fún ọmọ wọn wípé náà bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ló yẹ kó rí but ṣáwa léèyàn ṣé alẹ́ níyàn mo béèrè ni ṣáléèyàn ní ìrò bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìjẹ̀bùfọ̀ wéènà rẹ̀ wọ́n ò ní níyàn wéènà rẹ̀ òfò ní gọ́fìmẹ́ǹtì ní Nàìjíríà tẹ̀ báyìí láti rí láti gbọ́ láti rí bó ṣe lọ ó dùn yàn ó ṣèyàn láàánú. Ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tí ọ̀nkù yìí tó ń gbé program yẹn ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tó sọ wípé tí àwọn ọmọ yẹn bá dàgbà ibi tí mò ń lọ nìyẹn pọ́ìntì tèmi gangan nìyẹn tó bá wá lọ wo ìyá wọn ní Nàìjíríà, kán rí pé ìyá wọn ti establish, ìyá wọn ti dèèyàn ńlá, ìyá wọn ti di gẹ̀rẹ̀gẹ̀ jígẹ̀. Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ orí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kó ṣe kóńgẹ́ ẹni tó lè bá fight ẹ̀. Kí nìdí tèmi? Òun ni wípé àwọn tí ìyá wọn àti bàbá wọn tó wà nínú ìlú òyìnbó yìí, àwọn tí ìyá wọn àti bàbá wọn tó wà nínú ìlú òyìnbó yìí, ìyá mi, bàbá mi, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà nílùú òyìnbó, ẹ mọ̀ díẹ̀ nínú nǹkan tí mò ń sọ yìí. Wọn ò jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ yẹn gan 80% wọn kàn ṣe fún òbí wọn jẹ, torí wípé kí ni 80% wọn máa ń ba ayé wọn jẹ ni. Ẹ bá mi fílẹ̀ ní comment section bóyá yes tàbí no. 80% ni mo pè, mi ò pè ní 50%. 20 péré òun ló jẹ́ wípé tọ́lọ́run bá kádàrá á lo àlùyọ yìí, but 80 nínú wọn àwọn náà ya, wọ́n lọ fọ́ shop, wọ́n lọ fọ́ bank, wọ́n lọ gúngò, wọ́n lọ mu nǹkan olóró, wọ́n lọ mu oríṣiríṣi. Àwọn ni ó pọ̀ nínú wọn. Títorí ẹ̀ mo gbà ní àdúrà wípé sister wa yẹn, Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kó fìdí jóná. Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kí gbogbo abiyamọ ká jèrè ọmọ. Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kó ṣe kòńgẹ́ ẹni tó lè bá fight ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tó máa fi rí àwọn ọmọ ìgbà. Bọ̀dá bá fi sórí wípé ṣèbí táwọn ọmọ yẹn bá wà ń bẹ̀, wọ́n ti níwèé ńsìn, wọ́n máa tọ́jú wọn, ìjọba máa tọ́jú wọn, wọ́n máa wá ṣe kinní kan tó bá dọjọ́ iwájú, wọ́n máa ṣe. Ewu ń ṣe kíni? Ewu ń bẹ lóko lóńgẹ́ fúnra rẹ̀ ṣe kíni? Ewu ni. Àwọn tí parent wọn wà nínú ìlú òyìnbó, tí bàbá wọn wà nílùú òyìnbó, wọ́n máa ń ta tán ni pẹ̀lú àdúrà àti ìjágun láti lè gba ọmọ yẹn padà, láti lè gba àwọn ọmọ yẹn padà, torí wọ́n mọ̀ wípé nǹkan tó wà nísàlẹ̀ nǹkan tó wà nísàlẹ̀ nǹkan tó wà nísàlẹ̀ wúrà, nǹkan tó ẹ bá mi parí ẹ̀ lé. Mo mọ̀ o, kò ń ṣe pé mi ì mọ̀ o, ẹ ṣọ́ra yín o. Mo mọ̀, mo kàn fílẹ̀ fún yín, mo kàn pretend ní wípé tí mi ò mọ̀, but ẹ bá mi parí ẹ̀ lé, ẹ bá mi work ẹ̀ out lé. Bó ṣe rí gógó wọn gan nìyẹn. Nǹkan tó wà nídìí kinní yẹn ó ju kinní kan lọ, ewu ni. Ṣó ti yé yín? A gbà ní àdúrà lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí wípé k'Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kí ọmọbìnrin yìí, k'Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó rí àlùyọ, kó rí yọ, kó rí àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀, kí ìjọba Nàìjíríà káwọn ọmọ woman right kán lè dìde láti bá ṣe àlùyọ yìí, kájọ gbígbà ọpẹ́. Lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, a ní fojú sunkún ọmọ o. Àwọn òyìnbó nǹkan tó ń wíṣì wa nǹkan tó ń wíṣì wa, wọ́n wíṣì wa ìran wa tó ń bọ̀ kó máa ṣe ẹrú lọ ni, no break ẹrú, kó máa lọ, kó jẹ́ pé àwa làwa máa sá wá síbí, àwọn ọmọ tá a tún bí síbí náà the same thing. Káwọn ọmọ tiwọn kó máa gbowó bàbá, kó lọ ṣiṣẹ́ bí ẹrú, káwọn kó máa jẹjẹ ìlérí tàbí kó máa jẹjẹ ìlérí. Kẹ́yìn máa ṣiṣẹ́, kó máa yọ tax yẹn báyìí. Tó bá ṣe extra shift, tó gba extra shift nígbà tó wá máa yọ tax yẹn báyìí, wá wí pé oh my God, iṣẹ́ èèlò kí ló dé, kí ni mo ṣe, ta ló ṣe ẹ̀? Torí Ọlọ́run, ìjọba ẹ ti dá gbogbo owó, ẹ ti dá sí méjì, ìdajì lẹ kó fún èèyàn nínú owó iṣẹ́ tó ṣe. Púpọ̀ nínú ẹbọ ló ń lọ ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ọmọ wọn tí ò kí ń ṣiṣẹ́ yìí ni o. Àwọn ọmọ wọn ní àwọn igbó labẹ́ àǹkó àwọn ọmọ òyìnbó yìí ni. Torí ẹ̀, ìyá mi, bàbá mi, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi, èrè lóbìnrin jẹ lábọ̀ ọjà, gbogbo wa pátápátá la máa jèrè lórí àwọn ọmọ wa. A ní ṣe àṣedànù, a ní bá wọn ṣòwò tó máa ṣọ̀tì lórí ọmọ o. A ti wá jẹ̀yà lórí àwọn ọmọ yìí, a ní jẹ̀yà lọ́wọ́ wọn. Iṣu ọmọ á jiná fún èmi àti yín jẹ lágbára Elédùmarè. bó ṣe máa rí nìyẹn. Mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí wípé a kú bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa láìkè, ẹ dẹ̀ má gbàgbé láti bá wa fi ṣọwọ́ sí àwọn ọmọ wa, àwọn àbúrò wa táwọn náà wà nílùú òyìnbó. Kán tẹ jẹ́jẹ́ o, kán ṣe kí ni, kán ṣe jẹ́jẹ́. Bóyá wà tọ́kọ ẹni tó bá mọ̀ pé ẹ ti ń fa wàhálà kan torí wípé kò lè gbé ẹ, tètè juwọ́ ẹ̀ lẹ́tà báwọn náà ṣe ń sọ. Bí ìbàyìí làwọn adúró sí lọ́jọ́ títí òní. Ẹ bá wa share, ẹ bá wa fi comment sílẹ̀, ẹ dẹ̀ má gbàgbé láti bá wa like. Ọ̀fẹ́ ní gbogbo nǹkan tí mo kà á lẹ̀ yìí náà. Ẹ bá mi like rẹ̀, kẹ́ bá mi share rẹ̀, kẹ́ ẹ ní ẹ fi comment lẹ̀. Facebook wa lè jẹ́ kó má lọ, èjù wa lọ kẹ̀ mi ló fọ yẹ ìpọ̀ jù, fọ kẹ́ ń ṣe yẹn mi. One love, bye for now.